Why does every RPG do this?
Today, I'm going to reveal an AI niche that can help you earn not just from YouTube, but from Facebook as well. Yes, you heard that right. With this single content strategy, you can build 2 monetized channels, one on YouTube and one on Facebook, and generate income from both platforms using 100% free AI tools. Make sure you don't skip this video because I'll show you everything step by step, including free image generation, free video generation, and AI voiceovers. So, let's get started. This is a channel that has uploaded only around 500 videos, yet it has already gained 4.4 million subscribers. Even more impressive, many of its videos have crossed 100 million views, proving that the earning potential of this niche is incredibly high. According to available estimates, this single channel is making around $20,700 per month. And remember, that's just one channel. Imagine creating multiple channels in the same niche. The creator uploads both shorts and long-form videos, maximizing views and revenue from every angle. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create this type of content using 100% free AI tools. You'll get access to a free AI image generator, a free AI video generator, and everything else you need to start today. I've already prepared a master prompt for you, and you'll find the link in the description. There's nothing complicated about it. Simply copy the prompt, open Claude AI, log in, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Claude AI will analyze your request and provide multiple video ideas and titles. You can choose any topic you like, and if you don't find one that interests you, simply type More, and it will generate additional ideas. Once you've selected your topic, click Generate. Claude AI will create both image prompts and video prompts for your video. You can either generate videos directly using text-to-video, or create images first and then convert them into videos. Personally, I recommend using the image-to-video workflow because it delivers much better results. If you feel the AI has generated too few scenes or the prompts aren't detailed enough, simply ask it, please give me a total of 8 scenes, including detailed image prompts and video prompts. Within seconds, it will generate 8 complete scenes, each with its own image prompt and animation prompt. Now it's time to generate the images. Instead of using the same old image generators, today I'm introducing a completely free AI tool called Manus AI. It gives you around 1,300 free credits every day, allowing you to generate AI images without spending any money. You'll find the link in the description. Simply log in, go back to the reference channel, find the cartoon character used in the videos, and take a screenshot of it. Upload that screenshot as your reference image inside Manus AI. Then return to Claude AI, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Manus AI, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your first AI image will be ready. The results are impressive, and in many cases, the AI even creates a thumbnail-worthy image that you can use directly. Continue generating the remaining images by using the previously generated image as the reference to maintain consistency throughout the video. Copy each new prompt from Claude AI, paste it into Manus AI, and generate the next image. One important tip, always include the words character look big in your prompt. Without this, the AI may generate a very small character, making your images and thumbnails much less attractive. Repeat the process until all your images are complete. Then download every image because we're moving on to video generation. Now let's create the videos. The first free AI video generator I'm using is Vibes AI, powered by Meta AI. You'll find the link in the description. Log in using your Facebook or Instagram account because Google login isn't supported. Click Create New Project. Open the video section, choose Start Frame, upload your generated image, and simply type Animate this image in the prompt box. Then click Generate. Sometimes the generation may fail, but don't worry, just click Generate again, and it usually works on the second attempt. I've noticed that using longer prompts sometimes changes the original image too much, so I recommend sticking to the simple prompt, Animate this image. This keeps the original design almost identical while adding realistic animation. Repeat the same process for every image. Each generated clip will be around 5 seconds long, which is perfectly fine because we'll combine everything during editing. Download every completed video before moving on. If Vibes AI doesn't work for you or you're facing any issues, don't worry because there's another excellent free option called Flow AI. We've used it before. It's completely free. And in my experience, it actually produces even better animation quality. You can use whichever tool gives you the best results. Finally, let's create the voiceover. Go back to Claude AI and ask it, please generate a voiceover in paragraph format. It will instantly create a complete narration for your video. Copy the paragraph and paste it into 11 Labs or any other free AI voice generator. Choose a professional voice and click Generate. Within seconds, your voiceover will be ready. After that, combine your AI-generated videos, voiceovers, subtitles, background music, and sound effects in your favorite video editor. Once your videos and voiceover are ready, it's time for the final step, editing. For this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all of your generated videos. In my case, I'm using the videos created with Flow AI because I personally liked the results the most. However, if you're using videos generated with Vibes AI, you'll need to add the AI voiceover you created earlier. Simply place all your video clips on the timeline, merge them together, and then add your voiceover. After that, synchronize the voiceover with your clips for a smooth and professional edit. If you're using Flow AI videos that already include audio, you can edit them the same way or keep the original audio if it fits your content. Next, arrange all your video clips one by one, add smooth transitions between each scene, and then include suitable background music to make the video more engaging. Once everything looks perfect, go to the text section, enable auto captions, and click Generate. CapCut will automatically create subtitles for your entire video, making it more professional and improving viewer retention. And that's it. Your video is now completely ready. As you can see, we created an entire viral-style video using 100% free AI tools, including a free AI image generator, a free AI video generator, and a free AI voice generator. This is a highly trending content style, especially on Facebook, and you can also upload the same videos to YouTube to maximize your earnings from both platforms. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful and learned something valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.